Some news from the impending elections in several states across the country, and first our focus on Haryana. Countdown to Haryana polls have begun. CM Saini has tried to pacify some of the miffed leaders. In fact, the first list that was out in Haryana has sparked trouble. Haryana BJP CM Saini has met the former minister Karan Dev Kamboj. They're from tears to no handshakes. Haryana BJP's rebel problem seems to intensify, and the CM is trying to pacify leaders who did not get tickets. Karan Dev Kamboj, in fact, said that he was resigning from his post because many of the deserving people did not get tickets after the list was released. OBC, Kisan Morcha chief among the leaders who resigned. Now, Haryana CM is trying to pacify the leaders who did not get ticket. My colleague Gurpreet joins us for more on this story. Gurpreet, tell us, what is the situation like? It seems that there's a fair bit of firefighting now going on within Haryana BJP.
Well, of course, we have seen yesterday when the list was declared, and after that multiple resignations have been filed by the leaders of the BJP, and we have seen immediately the tall leader from Karnal, that Karan Dev Kamboj, he has already filed his resignation and saying that he will try to make the political strategy for his own future and for his area. After that, we have seen the Chief Minister of Haryana, Naib Singh Saini, he has visited his residence. He was trying to pacify him. The problem for the BJP is seems to be more because we have seen the tall leaders and the leaders who are a mass leader in the various pockets of Haryana, they are trying to leave the party and trying to join the other party. We have seen one of the MLA from Ratia, he has Lakshman Das Napa, he has already decided to join the Congress party because he feels he was not able to get his due from the BJP party, and that was the sole reasons why he has taken this decision. Now the BJP feels one side they are trying to combat with anti-incumbency within the state. On the other hand, they have already started facing rebels in the various pockets of Haryana. It will definitely dent and damage the image of our BJP party in the state of Haryana, and that was the reasons why they have decided to pacify all the tall leaders, all the mass-based leader, so that the party should not get affected. We have seen after 67 candidates which has been announced by the BJP, there is a lot of resentment on almost various constituencies of Haryana, and that is seems to be a challenge for the BJP to deal with this situation.